I just spent 8 hours testing Otterly AI and I discovered some points that the other reviews are not talking about. But before doing that, let me show you one problem. Hey, this is Arthur from Generate More, and in this review I'm gonna show you the pros and cons of Otterly AI so you can understand if this AI search visibility tool is worth it, your money, so you can save hours of manual exhausting research, because that's what I did for you. I tested this AI search visibility tool hands-on, comparing it with other alternatives like SEO Ranking, Sonic, Peec AI, Get Mentioned, I don't remember them all, and I'm gonna show you what exactly you get with the Pro plan. I was with the free trial, but testing the Pro plan. By the end of this video, you will know if Otterly is good for your business. Without further ado, let's dive in. What is Otterly AI? Let's start from that. Well, Otterly AI is an AI search visibility tool that helps understand how is the visibility of your brand across multiple AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, AI Mode, Gemini. Did I miss any? I don't know, but Otterly has the highest amount of AI search engines I've seen so far. So well done to the team. Otterly AI tracks many things, but the main one are your coverage over time, as you can see here, the total of brand mentions, how are your competitors doing compared to you. In this case, we are winning compared to this one for specific niches. And here you can see the top prompts that are bringing the highest amount of brand mentions. This is also another very interesting analytics that you get. This is the XY graph. And here you can understand how each of the competitors, including you, are positioned on the market for AI search engines. Very interesting feature. I have never seen it with other competitors. Now, let's talk about the most important differentiating factor by using Otterly AI. And I want to highlight that I tested other tools and some of those have this feature gated by very expensive prices like $449 or $499 when we're speaking about Sonic. Other tools don't have this feature at all, and the feature I'm talking about is the Geo Audit. The usual audit that tells you what to do, what not to do, what is messed up with your site, but in this case is fine-tuned for AI search visibility. And Otterly offers this very interesting interface where it tells you how is your robot.txt file, how is your LLM's txt file, there is no LLM txt file. It tells you how is the AI readiness of your content, which is not that good in this case. I will improve it. But if you want to focus on specific pages, and for example in this case the home page is very important, we see that the AI readiness is low, and you can also see why it's low, because we don't have statistics, and it tells you also what to do. Now, I know that these are just words, you still need to execute. AI will not help you in this execution, but trust me, this feature is not that common with other AI search visibility tools, so congrats to the team of Otterly. Nice feature. Let's quickly talk about the cons of Otterly AI. Yeah, because Otterly AI, as any other tool, has some cons. Con number one, it does not allow you to track the traffic coming from AI search engines to your website. Yeah, I know that the majority of those are just estimations unless you're using GA4, but still, having a feature like that in this price range would be very nice. There are some alternatives which offer it, like for example ScaleNut. The second feature that I would like to see is the sentiment analysis. I know that the majority of tools are just doing some estimation of the sentiment, but here I would like to mention again ScaleNut. ScaleNut spots the conversations where the brand sentiment is not that positive, and you can jump into that conversation on Reddit, because Sentiment Tracker is focused on Reddit. Even a feature like this would be very helpful for those brands who want to intercept negative sentiment and to optimize it, make it at least neutral or even positive. And strange point number 3, for some reason does the weekly updates instead of daily. Out there are other brands which make you choose. Do you want to do a daily, a weekly, or a monthly? In this case, allows you just the weekly AI tracker, which is alright. I think weekly is more than good enough, but just keep in mind there that if you need a daily tracker, Otterly, in my case, did not offer that. So, who should buy Otterly AI? Here's my personal take. Choose Otterly AI if having a Geo Audit is way more important than having AI lead. 180 $89 per month, you're gonna have probably the best Geo Audit tool out there, 6 platforms to monitor all the data you need to monitor your AI search visibility and to take business and marketing decisions. Side note, Otterly AI helps you a lot during the onboarding because they have these very cute side videos and tutorials, short, longer, that I found very useful. Now, let's briefly talk about the pricing of Otterly AI. And we have 3 standard pricing, $29, $189, $489. I personally suggest to go with this one unless you are an enterprise and need to track thousands of prompts. But here you have 100 prompts, 4 AI search engines, and a few other things. Keep in mind that there are also add-ons, and here if you would like to add also Gemini and Google AI mode, you can pay this amount of money for each of them. So basically the upper price can get up to 900 and something bucks if you need a comprehensive ultra premium wow package. But overall, I think this one is more than enough, at least for a good chunk of the businesses. So what's my final take on Otterly AI? Well, I find it to be good enough AI search engine monitoring tool. It delivers what it promises. It costs in the average tier. As I told you, I would highly appreciate the AI traffic analytics, but on the other side, this tool offers a geo auditing tool, which not many other alternatives offer. So if you are disposed to pay an average price to have a trustworthy AI search engine monitoring tool and you need the geo functionality most of all, then I think Otterly AI is a very good alternative. And from 1 to 5, my rating would be around 3.5. Of course, this review has been written in the first 2 weeks of October. This tool is gonna evolve very quickly, and all what I am saying right now, the 15th of October, can be meaningless in 2 weeks because these tools are evolving at a light. Alright, so this was my honest review and feedback about Otterly AI. If you want to read more, please read the blog down in the description. There you can spend 30 minutes, 40 minutes reading all what I have written. But if you find this review useful, please smash the like, subscribe to our channel, and maybe even repost this video. If you would like to know more about other AI search engines, just drop a comment down below. We're gonna be more than happy to do a dedicated review about those tools. Until then, have a good day wherever you are. Bye.